Hi, I'm Sam Chacon. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a garden bench out of some simple 2x4s and 2x6s. To start, we are going to need 4 2x6s that are 8 feet long and 3 2x4s that are 8 feet long. For our cut list, we are going to need 2 pieces that are 21.5 inches long, 2 pieces that are 25 inches long, 3 pieces that are 45 inches long, and 3 pieces that are 48 inches long. And these are all the 2x6s. For the 2x4s, we're going to need 4 pieces that are 23.5 inches long, 2 pieces that are 23 inches long, 2 pieces that are 48 inches long, and 2 more pieces that are 20 inches long. And these again are the 2x4s. For the other materials, we're going to need a drill, some 2.5-inch Deckmate wood screws you can find at your local Home Depot, a tape measure, a straight edge, some wood glue, and a handsaw. Next, we're going to take our 2 20-inch 2x4s and our 2 48-inch 2x4s, and we're essentially going to make a box. Using our drill, our screws, and our wood glue, we've now established a frame for our bench. For this, we are going to need our 2x4 pieces again, the 2 23.5-inch pieces and the 1 23-inch piece. This is one end piece and this is the other end. Now that both end pieces are done, we are going to mark off 14.5 inches from the base of each end piece. And the frame that we made earlier is going to be glued to these 2 end pieces. After screwing our end pieces together to our frame, we've now got something that actually looks like a bench. Next is to make our back braces. For the back braces, we are going to be getting our 21.5-inch long 2x6 and making a line that is 5 inches from the bottom right and making another mark from the top left that is 1.5 inches down. With those 2 marks, we're going to make a line that connects both of them, like so, and handsaw the excess pieces that are right there. Now that the back braces are finished, we can now attach them to our bench. Now that both of our back braces are on, it's time to install the seats. And now for the seats, we're going to need our 3 48-inch 2x6s. With our seats screwed in and secured, all that's left to do is put our back pieces on. For that, we're going to need to put our 3 45-inch long 2x6 pieces on the back. With the back pieces on, our bench is now complete.